What's up? What's up, chat? Get a quick sip of my. Man, this shit's not opening up, eh? We are live. We are live, chat. Oh, yeah, that shit good. All right. Today we're not gonna be no trading day. Today is going to be a Q&A session slash tape reading. I'm not gonna be trading because today's a day before a high major news, which is PPI. But tomorrow we could trade. Wednesday we could trade. Friday, Thursday, Friday we could all trade. Right? Today we can't. Today is a low probability day, just like this day. You guys know. Days like this, it is harder for the market to trade. We did have a. We did have the SMT here, chat. I'm gonna lie. You can see SMT right here, chat. SMT to the upside. So those who trade the day before high impact news, your entry would have been right off this to the upside. This would have made sense, but today's to me typically is not enough narrative to this trade, chat. I'm not gonna lie, there's not enough narrative. Yo, what's good? What's good? What trader was good? All right, let's finish that. All right, let me put my thing there first. Let me go put my Discord link. All right, chat. Today's not gonna be a trading day, but it's gonna be a Q&A. So if you have a problem with any problem you're facing emotionally, technical wise, in trading related, right? Not your fucking day-to-day life. You're trading related, right? I don't give a fuck about your day. You were looking for buys, but CSD was kind of ass. Let's see. Let me get the 50% mark so you could, because the 50% mark as well is a very high probability mark, right? So SMT occurred right over here, right? This is where the SMT occurred, right? So you would have been chilling. This CIZ is not that ass though. You can see it got respected. But personally, I would have not been trading this though. The reason to this is the day before high impact news, and your take profit would have been right over here. Eventually, you just break even. Once you break even, you're chilling. So this move, if it goes back down right over here, you're break even. You're not losing no money, right? And your goal would have been this, but this doesn't have too much narrative. I don't see enough narrative for this, right? Let's see what we got in a higher time frame. Weekly ERL got tapped, right? So weekly CRT low got tapped as well. We go from weekly ERL to IRL, right? Weekly CRT low got tapped. We go to the daily time frame. Because what's happening daily here. Daily CRT, daily, we go from daily ERL to IRL, daily CRT to the downside as well, to the upside over here, daily CRT. We have a higher traffic context here, so we're going from a daily ERL to IRL, daily CRT to the upside. For our time frame, we're seeing a 4 hour. 4 hour, there is no daily range near the order flow is bearish in the 4 hour time frame. There is no bullish. There is no daily range. This right over here, the daily range low is way suppressed. So this is no longer a range dynamic, right? Because range dynamic is subjective, right? It's not objective, right? So We have no daily range. We have no ranges. The range dynamic. But this one we're just going out of the higher time frame. Weekly CRT low got tapped. Weekly previous week low got tapped as well. Previous day low got tapped as well as you had a weekly ERA to IRL, daily ERA to IRL, 4 hour, I think 4 hours and just 4 hours CRT and SMT right here, preventing the sweep happening. Because GU swooped it out while EU did not, right? At 1 a.m., 5 a.m., right? But this is going to be way more tricky. This day may look fine for the markets to respect this, but some days you will disrespect it because it's the day before high impact news, which is, FOMC, NFP, PPI, CPI, and I don't know what the other one is. Whoa, whoa, whoa. But let's see the risk to reward ratio on this. What's the risk to reward ratio on this? To this is a 1-to-1 RR, so to this right over here is barely 1-to-1, but this right over here is a 3.6 RR. So right now you would have been up like I think 1 point, like almost 2 RR right over here. But pretty ass. I'm not gonna lie, chat. Pretty ass. Usually, if you have the right narrative to this, if you were gonna take the trade, you could have hold this trade all the way to the weekly. I'm saying all over here. Kill zone starts from 7 a.m. Let's see. 7 a.m. No, cause 6 to 7 a.m. 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. is usually a good time for a purge SMT to occur, right? From 6 a.m. right over here till 7 a.m. is a good time for a purge /SMT, right? You can see. Go back to this time right over here. 6 a.m. right to 7 a.m. is usually a good time for a purge. You can see purge out liquidity. During those times are like a alright time for a purge /SMT to occur in the market. This would be a London lunch low of the day because this is a London lunch, right? London lunch low of the day would be SMT, right? Oh. Okay, it's 8:49 a.m. Okay. Chat, you guys got any question about your thing? Cause today I'm not looking to take a trade. I'm not going to even analyze that market because to me today looks like to be a tricky day. Although we had an SMT, it's look and my boss is bullish. It's very tricky, bro. We're just gonna be careful. Sunday is gonna be harder for the price action to. Sunday is gonna be harder for us to read the price action. Sunday is gonna be easier, right? And as well, this bigger range, this daily range low got purged. So you could have called this as a range low, range high. The range low got purged, so you're going to the range high. Yeah, as well. There's multiple things here. So the only narrative you would have from this trade, let me delete all the drawing here because I forgot I have my previous week's drawing here, right? So only narrative you would have had in this would be a weekly URL to IRL. Right, weekly CRT low got purged. Previous week low got purged. For a daily time frame, daily CRT low got purged. Daily ERL to IRL. Do we have any daily range dynamic or a daily range? Nope. But we do have this daily range low and a range high. So range low got purged. We want to buy. Even on the 4 hour time frame. So the 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame range low got purged. I'm gonna go to the range high, which is right over here. We go to the weekly time frame. This is our goal right over here. Daily range, our goal is right over here. So they're all are matching up here, right? For our time frame, our goal is, so for the narrative, you had a weekly ERL to IRL, daily ERL to IRL, daily range low got purged when I buy, as well as a 4-hour range low. It's the same thing, right? Order flow is still bearish until the order flow goes back to bullish above this candle right over here. Once the market goes above this candle right over here, the order flow is going to be bullish. How come is it this candle? Because market went below this candle. When this candle pushed it down, there's other high pushed down even lower, right? So that means this is the candle that hit the drawn liquidity here to lower, and yeah, order flow is still bearish. No daily range here. I mean, we can have a daily range. So once market support a high and a support a low, made a legit high there, made a legit low right over here, we could have a daily range right over here, right? So right when this low gets created, it's gonna be a boom, super high, super low. Market created a legit high there, and eventually left off a good low here, right? So we could have a daily range. So this could be another narrative to your upside. But keep in mind, it is a day before high impact news, so this could be a way less probability time, because time comes more than price, right? And what else do we have here? We could potentially have, that's all we have here, right? And CRT low on the daily time frame got purged, right? As well as the weekly CRT low got purged. And yeah, that could be another narrative here to see in the hourly time frame. The CRT low on the daily. Is that the previous week, or it's the previous week low as well? And that as well is the previous week low and the daily rates upside as well, right? Uh-huh. So this is because I was about to say like a weekly CRT and daily range as well here for our time frame. So yeah, that's all we got for this trade. Is enough narrative for the market to do something, right? It's enough narrative, but it's the day, because time is more important than price. You can see how the price is kind of ass here. It's not that well, man. 4 a.m. just dropped down a lot. I'm not gonna be taking any trade. It's going to be a tape reading. And to the people who wonder if this is like if CRT is a MMXM concept, it's not an MMXM concept, but it's a, to the mentor, it's a improved version of the MXM, because this right over here is the original consolidation, right? Original consolidation right over there. Eventually, market is gonna go over here, right? Original consolidation market. Uh, uh. باش انا میتونم باش like 12 بجا برو. But right over here, right, you can see original consideration. There was no other consideration here, but so there doesn't have to be another consideration, but there must be original right here. It's the original consideration of the CRT, right? And this is another MXM concept. This is the 4-hour time frame MXM concept. It's just way easier because MXM you don't draw these lines out, right? MXM you just gotta look for the original consideration, which you gotta guess. For CRT, you're not guessing. This right over here is the original consideration, right? Just people who are wondering, like, this is call it to MXM, is improved version of it, right? More efficient, more efficient. We might have a midweek reversal today this week, or we might have a London high of the day. I mean, Monday low of the week, and when it might get continued. Let's see how CPI does it. CPI is gonna tell us what type of profile we're gonna have, or PPI as well could. But let's see where the news heads to. I want to see where the news goes to, right? I want to see the direction of the news. And yeah, there's gonna be a video about shit. Oh what? I don't know. Well, think about it. I'm gonna think about it. Today, this week, it's gonna be primarily um emotional talking. Basically, a not gonna be a technical week today. This week is gonna be about psychology week, right? About we're talking about some psychology problems you guys could implement you guys trading. Yeah, this one I'm gonna do because I'm running out of ideas now. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, nothing is happening here. Nothing, nothing. What should we do, Chad? Because I'm basically come here just to read the market, but you know what I'm saying I don't want to waste my ass. I don't want to waste my time looking at the market for no reason. If you guys need help, put it down on the comment. Comment down right there. I mean, chat with me. I will let you guys. I will help you guys if you have like a problem with your trading. You know what I'm saying? If you guys facing anything that is disturbing you and it's not preventing you from doing better and improving, let me know, man. We can fix it up, brother or sister or whatever, man. Or alien. I don't know, man. Before our camera over here. So the 1 a.m. candle low is the low of the day. Basically, this could be a near continuation to the upside, but I'm not gonna take it because day before high impact news. So then daily profile, this could be a London low of the day SMT. Eventually, near continuation. Near continuation to all the two already here, right? So we're gonna go from ERL to IRL. This IRL eventually go our time frame goal over here. Yeah, chat. Yeah, this the that is the aim right there, chat. Because nothing is happening. It's just that the day before high impact news, I don't want to be taking a trade here. Since I don't want to break my rules, because my rule says don't trade a day before a high impact news, and I'm not gonna trade a day before a high impact news. You guys need any help? Put it down on the chat. A Q&A. If you guys need help with, let me know. Got you guys. But if it's not that, I'm gonna have to leave the live stream because I'm done for the day. Then you know what I'm saying there's nothing for me to do here. There's nothing for me to cover here because of today is the day before high impact news, which is PPI tomorrow. I don't want to be trading the day before high impact news, right? Yeah. But tomorrow should be a good day here. Financial one more time. Weekly ERL to IRL. Weekly CRT to the upside. Another CRT to the upside as well. Daily CRT to the upside. Daily ERL to IRL. 4-hour. Let's look at price. We go to the high. Okay, this is enough narrative. Yeah, interesting. But today is not gonna be like you know, what I'm saying a. But today I want to see the data of today because tomorrow's a high impact news, and I want to use today's data to get a better understanding in the market. Because today's gonna be it's kind of not harder, but doesn't make enough sense here. So yeah, chat. I'm done. I'm gonna see you guys later. This is it. Like this is nothing to for me to cover here, right? Because I just came here to see do some Q&A. If you guys need help with your stuff, come to my Discord. Look up Bristol, help you over there, right? Gonna help you answer your question. But I'm done for the day. I don't want to stay in the market and essentially take a trade, which is a bad thing, right? I want to be in the market. I don't want to be in the market, right? Because of today's a day before high impact news, which is NFP. Which is PPI, or it could be, you know, what I'm saying FOMC press conference, NFP, CPI, and PPI, right? Tomorrow's PPI. I don't want to be taking a trade today, right? Because that will break my rule. That means I'm not a disciplined person. But this is my analysis right here. The thing I'm looking here, right, is weekly. We're going for weekly ERL as well. We could go from this other weekly ERL, right? Weekly ERL to IRL, right? Daily, weekly CRT to the upside, another weekly CRT to the upside, right? This weekly CRT aligned with the daily range, daily CRT to the upside, 4-hour. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame here, as well as daily ERL to IRL, right? 4-hour daily range, 4-hour range dynamic to the upside to the weekly CRT high. So if you get this, if you get this right over here, this CRT right over here, is model one. This could be confirmation for the weekly CRT to the upside, which is weekly CRT is this scanner over here and this one as well, right? And for the hourly time frame, what do we have here? For our time frame, we have a daily range market price at a high, then price out a low, right? So now we got a daily range high, daily range low. Market made a high here, made a low here, stable high, stable low. This looking disrespected, right? But let's see if we can hold. If it can hold, that'll be a daily range here. This is everything here is discount, everything here is premium, and the order flow is still bearish until the market goes above this. What else do we have here? Nothing else here. Nothing else. We could do market profiling here as well. Market open at 17 o'clock to this 17 o'clock right over here. Order flow open, market open, accumulation, manipulation, expansion, retracement, expansion, reversal, retracement, expansion, reversal, retracement, expansion, reversal, the reversal back up, retracement, expansion, reversal, retracement, expansion, reversal, retracement, reversal, retracement, expansion. This could be another retracement and eventually another expansion, another retracement, expansion. That would get a reversal, eventually get another root back to the upside. But that's the daily range. But the order flow is bearish for the daily range. We got a daily range right over here. We got raise dynamic low over there as well. And yeah, that is that. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later because nothing to do here, right? Tomorrow's gonna be action day. Today I don't want to take any trades, so I'm gonna hop off the market, right? But I did give you guys my analysis right over here to the upside, and yeah, be careful. Today's the day before high impact news, which is PPI tomorrow. So I see you guys tomorrow. I see you guys. Today's gonna be a education. Today's gonna be a psychology video. You know, saying that might help some of you guys, who are having a psychology problem, which is just say you're impatient or I'm saying you don't focus on building good habits, right? Prioritize master skill over profits, which is a very important thing. You should always focus on building good habits and prioritize mastering the skill for profits, right? Immediate profits, right? Because you're gonna focus on long term, not the short term, right? You don't want to be, you know, because psychology, you don't want to be that guy who doesn't care about psychology. You want to be the guy who cares about it because psychology is very important, right? In trading, if I'm gonna trade, psychology is always my number one thing here, right? Because psychology is gonna break me or make me, right? But yes, today's gonna be a quick. This whole week's gonna be psychology. Some little videos in there. It's probably gonna be like a 3 minute video, but it's all gonna be about a psychology video, right? Which are very important for you guys, right? So I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Peace out, my boy Trader. Peace out, everybody else. I see you guys later, my boys. Peace.